Hello, this is Dave with the Shepherd School, and today we're going to do some reviews on reloading and brass gear to pick up your brass. You know, we go out to the range shooting, and after we're done, we've had all our fun. You know, we got to pick up our brass. Most of us don't like doing that, but we do, either because we reload or just because, you know, we don't want to leave a mess for the next guy. Picking all that junk up gets kind of hard, at least for us big boys. And so somebody came up with this. It's called the Brass Wizard, and what it originally started out was a tool used to pick up ground nuts. You roll it along the ground, and the nuts get pushed up in between these flexible wire strands and holds in the case. It comes with this wire device that sits on the edge of a bucket, and then to empty it you just push it down and it opens up those wires. Okay? I'm going to demonstrate how this is done. And we're going to use my concrete floor because it's raining outside. Okay? This thing works really great, you know, perfectly at indoor ranges. Anything with concrete or cement walkways. Works pretty good on grass. Works okay in sand. Unfortunately, there's a law enforcement range here in Nashville that I like going to sometimes, and it is gravel. Okay, this doesn't work very good on gravel because it picks up gravel. This is pretty popular, and so they've come out with other sizes. This is the standard one. It picks up everything from, you know, 22 to, you know, some rifle calibers, but they've made some a little smaller because 22 sometimes falls out, and a little bigger to pick up shot shell holes. So let me throw some brass down on the ground and we'll show you how this thing works. I like to just kind of push and pick up individuals. This is a mixture of 38, 9mm, 40, 45, 357 SIG, 40 Smith & Wesson. You just roll it over the brass, and then the brass pushes those wire fingers apart. It forms over the brass, and then when you keep rolling, they close and it holds them inside. Then you just set it down, plunge it up and down a couple times, the brass falls in the bucket. Like I said, if you shoot at an indoor range or an outdoor range that has, you know, cement walkways or good pounded dirt or grass, this is worth its weight in gold. You will be the most popular guy around. I'll tell you, when I take this thing to the range, it's even cooler than if I brought a big old Desert Eagle or a Barrett 50, because everybody wants to play with your Brass Wizard. Because I've yet to find a single individual that liked picking up brass.